Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's episode of Market Check, brought to you by Too Late BB. I love seeing that comment from time to time. But yeah, there is no second best live YouTube stream to talk about markets. Welcome back, guys. Happy Wednesday, middle of the week. As always, we're going to have a great show for you today. I'm Snorlax. You guys also know me as Tommy. I'm joined by Tucker, Chef Jackus, and Max will be joining us here shortly. But yeah, hopefully we've had a a good week so far. It's been like a pretty persistent "we're so back, it's so over" dichotomy, I feel like, all week, right? And yesterday was kind of the perfect encapsulation of this in a way, where we had this huge pump on Bitcoin basically get fully retraced, and now we are once again sitting at this do or die level for the crypto markets. So we're going to discuss it today on the show. Obviously, talk about your favorite coins, equity markets, and everything in between. But before we can do that, guys, I'm going to need you to hit that like button for us. And, you know, look, I can't promise that we're not going to look at soybeans, and that might not even be in a punitive way. Because soybeans seem to be in the news quite a lot recently. I actually find that pretty heartwarming for the OG BB enjoyers, the OG Market Check fans. It's nice that we're seeing soybeans finally get some time in the sun. But yeah, just kind of looking across the board at the market today. Yesterday we had this very large pump on Bitcoin. I couldn't really tell you like why we pumped and dumped like that. I have seen some hints, right? Some breadcrumbs on X that it's the man behind me who was responsible for those candles, right? So shout out to His Excellency Justin Sun. He makes an appearance on Market Check every few months, it seems like, where we're able to talk about his dastardly deeds. But, you know, once again, I mean, the market is kind of just sitting at this level where we know it must hold. And so far it is holding. We continue to just kind of like wait for this market to make up its mind. But I will say, you know, the longer that we stay above this level, the more this period will feel a lot like similar moves that we've had either at the start of Q4 or into Q4, where that just like awful chop, especially if we look at the lower time frame on Bitcoin and some of these other coins, just looks like pure hell for traders, right? And that is kind of what we have seen before, typically bullish periods, right? But we have to hold this level on Bitcoin. You need to hold 107, 108, and vice versa for pretty much every other major's respective level that we're trading into right now. So that's the backdrop for crypto. I feel like the performance of altcoins has been very like erratic because altcoins require some certainty from Bitcoin in order to be strong, in order to be thriving. So it shouldn't be surprising that we're kind of seeing like this musical chairs game with most altcoins either. Equity markets, I mean, they've been very resilient. They're pretty much just consolidating up at their highs. We're seeing kind of a small move down today. We can talk about that, but so far nothing too much to discuss over on that front. I'm sure we'll talk about gold today as well. But how are we doing, guys? What are we seeing in the markets? What do we make about the fact that we're retesting support again? And of course, you know, what do we think about His Excellency?
I think they are just so cute when they fight. Both bulls and bears, because if we can derive anything from this lower time frame price action, it's that every liquidity is getting hunted.
Yes. Well, I feel like,
oh my God, you're going to make me hunt the liquidity.
I feel like when you look at the lower time frame on a lot of these charts, it's just like very inefficient moves followed by just like sideways price action. It definitely feels like, I wouldn't even call it mechanical, but yeah, definitely searching for liquidity.
Yeah, I mean, dude, look at that. Just and then just inefficient and boom. I mean, it's nasty. It's nasty. I would not want to be scalping it. I mean, that's really actually the only way you've been winning is if you're actually nailing these scalps, right? But
do you remember the Bart pattern?
Yeah.
The Bart Simpson pattern.
course. Yeah, I wonder what.
It's more now Burj Khalifa sort of, but
Yeah, I
it
wonder.
used to be BART, just like pump, then sideways, dump, sideways, pump, sideways.
Yeah,
It's definitely a product of a low liquidity environment,
Yes.
which makes sense after 2 weeks ago. That was 2 weeks ago, guys. That's kind of hard to believe.
this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. That feels like yesterday, honestly. I mean, dude, I just think this looks ugly. Like, I think yesterday it looked good for a minute, you know. I don't know. For me, and I know this is a bit of a strange, unconventional trading style, right? Just the spider line stuff, but like, I really, really hate to see that get rejected, as well as this supply on this high right here, right? Like,
It'll make for a good support once flipped.
It will. It would be a great support once flipped. I agree. But until that happens, it just, to me, it just seems like a bunch of air down to like 95, which wouldn't be the end of the world, obviously. But
No, that would be the end of the world.
I think it would.
Yeah.
No, this is not happening.
It can't happen, or else you're going to like
No.
50K. You know.
No. If you're breaking down here, you can pack your bags and apply to McDonald's.
Oh god.
Wait. American McDonald's or European McDonald's? Because there's a pretty distinct difference there.
Activate. That reminds me the old YouTube movies with Mr. Bogdanov, and it's when he was like, activate technological unemployment. And it's here.
Have I told the story on Market Check about how much I got McDonald's on vacation?
No.
When I was in Italy, I got McDonald's 3 times while I was there. It's just like a late night snack because, I mean, I ate so much food while I was there. But also, you know, sometimes for dinner you'll eat pasta and it won't fill you up all the way. And so I would end up getting like it was called a McTasty. I'd get a double McTasty. I'd bring it home and I'd eat that for dinner. And I did that 3 times. The last time, it's like progressively each time I did it, like everybody in our party wanted their own McDonald's. And oh man, yeah, the last time we went, I got food for like literally everybody. But the point of I was bringing it up for was, you know, we're talking about applying to McDonald's, and like usually if you're an American, you're not really thinking about quality when you're going to a McDonald's. It's kind of the reason why you're choosing it. Sorry if that offends you, but the European McDonald's had a bilingual cashier, and it was just like very fluent in English, Italian. He might have known some other languages too, but like he got my order perfect the first time, every time. And yeah, I just think about that because if you're applying to a European McDonald's, maybe things are going a little bit better than if you're applying to an American McDonald's. But
I was just thinking of you as Vincent Vega in Pulp Fiction, an American that goes to Europe to try McDonald's, and then I'm not sure if you saw that movie.
What is it called?
Fiction? Yeah.
Pulp Fiction.
Oh, I haven't seen it, but I need to.
What, Tommy?
I know I need to see it.
Legacy movie.
I guess they don't want to hear about McDonald's, man. They don't want to hear about it.
No, they're gonna have to listen to my McDonald's anecdote every few days.
They're gonna have to hear about soybeans, that's for sure.
McTasty.
Did you see the tweet, Tommy? The soybean tweet?
This is the ad. This
No,
is
what happened?
Yeah.
No, what was the soybeans tweet?
You didn't. I put it in my channel. It's just a little confluence. Bro.
Oh, the Peter Brandt tweet.
Yeah,
I did see that.
I mean,
I haven't looked back at the soybeans chart during that period. I was so tired when I read it, but
haven't, Tommy? I'm shocked.
No, I haven't. I know, right? I know.
Royal with cheese.
is gonna be fucking. How do I do it? What was his?
I actually do not have the soybeans chart memorized.
ZS091 continuous November contract. Great. ZS. Is this gonna take me there? Yeah, it is.
Bro, what is that chart?
The only thing I want to see is Mac rip it to the upside.
All right, so what's this guy talking about? What was he on? Was he on the weekly or something?
But have you heard of the double bacon McCrisp burger?
77.
That's the real question.
Mhm.
That's the real alpha. I learned.
What is this dude talking about? I don't really see it actually. If we're just
Yeah, I can't say I really see that. Honestly, the run up in the like late 60s and early 70s kind of reminds me of the cat. That kind of looks like the Caspa chart, man.
dude, it does actually. Hold on, yeah. Maybe it's because that'd be adjust on here. No. All right, we're going back. Caspa. Oh, wait.
Wow, man.
Where is it? We're there.
That is a fugly chart.
Is it the Caspa chart, dude? Oh my god.
I'll never forget how they said that Bitcoin was the test net for Caspa, and it immediately topped.
Dude, as a meme, it was hilarious. There was no better meme, bro. Bitcoin is simply a test net for Caspa.
They were saying that you didn't sell all your Caspa.
Can you put Caspa versus BTC chart?
Man.
Oh no.
Man.
Oh.
Is that kind of full round trip?
Why is everybody so hyped about Beyond Meat, dude? I don't. Are we for real?
It's doing the thing. It's doing the thing. What is the meme where it's like, I have no hope. Life is pointless. I want to die. And then it's like the tiniest green candle.
Yeah.
Back.
Is it? I'm gonna find it. Just.
I guess I'm assuming it has some like Reddit GME type of pull to it. I mean,
yeah, it's this. Hang on. It's just this.
Can you zoom in? How much is it up off the low?
How much is it up off the low? I mean, it looks like
like Impossible Burgers taste fine.
What? You've had one?
I have had one before. I mean, I didn't order it for myself, but I have had one. Like, they don't taste bad. But I'm also never going to pick one over a good old regular Angus beef burger.
I would just never. I can't believe you tried one, bro. I don't think I could do it. I don't think I can do it.
I think I had it at do you remember that place, that like appetizer heavy place I took you guys when you visited?
Mm-hmm.
It was there. I had one, which means you might have had a bite too. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it.
Wait, why? Because
it was an appetizer. You don't remember the sliders we had?
Oh yeah, I probably did have one of those actually.
Yeah, exactly.
Those were not real.
I don't know. They might not have been.
What do you mean they might not have been?
It sounded like, wait, do you mean Santa Claus is not real?
Yeah.
Are you going to crush all my childhood beliefs?
Yeah, no, literally, that's what it was.
Cricket eating soy boy confirmed. Wow, man.
Wait. Oh. Stop cricket eating soy boy.
No, I atoned yesterday. I had some juicy brisket barbecue.
Feeds the bugs.
You will
Where's my
eat bucks and
co-host?
you will like it.
He's right here.
Why?
Make bucks.
Will,
Will you get make bucks?
McBucks.
yeah. Wait. Why is Beyond Meat short squeezing? And then we'll answer the question.
I mean, I think it's pumping because it's short squeezing. I mean, that's kind of like always the narrative, I feel like, with these super beaten down small caps.
Partnered with Walmart. Oh god, dude. Honestly, probably not a
Wait.
bad play. Why didn't we buy it, dude?
Justin Sun got sued. Is that real?
This is a bet on soy. This is a bet on. I don't even know what, dude. Like, the PC term would be sustainable agriculture, obviously, but damn, maybe it was a play. Maybe it was a play. I
Oh,
don't
he did get sued.
I wonder how many other tickers are there for like soy products that pumped or not pumped.
I'll bet on soy.
How much bigger is the derivative market for soy products than the actual market for soybeans?
Oh my god. Sell it all today.
The Korean dark web forums engineered this. Says Dorito.
I mean, I have like been reading about how degenerate South Korean markets have been over the last few months.
I mean, dude, this is a Will's Outlook chart if I've ever seen one. Will loves these charts, dude. I wouldn't be surprised if he caught the entirety of this movie, actually. I know you're not joking, Dorito. I know. I completely believe you.
South Korean degens. I did see South Korea just put in place like very strict insider trading rules this week, so maybe that's a reason why.
So they pumped Beyond Meat.
I guess so. Imagine thinking Reddit still has motion to move markets.
We need to look at Kadena, actually. Oh, I can't even.
Oh my god.
I mean, the team literally said we're not going to maintain the blockchain anymore. So,
Isn't that what Launchcoin devs said too?
is it?
They're just like, yeah, we're soft rugging.
Wait,
We won't be supporting price anymore.
Launchcoin actually is fine.
They were like, fuck this, fuck everything.
Honestly, man, if you're still trying to long Launchcoin in October of 2025, I can't help you.
Speaking of, can you put in the Cadena versus on KuCoin so we get like the full history?
On KuCoin.
And go on a weekly time frame and let's discuss. Find me the bottom line.
Bottom?
Sorry, not like the literal bottom, but like the pre-bottom before this dump. So like the from like the listing low.
Like here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so while looking at this chart, what you see is probably lots of crushed dreams, because everyone obviously, like I remember the huge link of Cadena, and I can imagine how many people hold it all the way down, hoping it will bounce one day back up. Perhaps. And now you're getting like this basically soft rock, as you said, we will no longer support the blockchain. The fact that coins are finally doing this means we've arrived at the last stage. It's the delist stage, is the shitcoin death sentence. And it's the point where all the dilution will finally start imploding and chasing quality. And that's the digital asset narrative that I've talked about for a while now, that I think we are heading into. All of these shit, blockchains, whatever projects that were just hanging there, people are randomly buying them, hoping they will come back, finally going to their fair value, will mean that people will get the rest of them and will start only chasing stuff that they can believe in again. And that's where, in my opinion, this is the only road the space can take from here. There is no point in trying to find the next hot thing, because anything new gets like a daily attention span rotation, then it gets dumped onto everyone again. People need to believe, and the liquidity cannot be so diluted as it was right now.
I agree with you completely. I almost wonder if I don't wonder. I think I feel pretty confident that most people are still allocating as investors as if the market is as inefficient as it was 8 years ago, when in reality we're a pretty efficient market now, or at least efficient enough that finding undervalued gems is increasingly difficult to do, and it doesn't happen very often. It can still happen, right? And I'll point to Kita over the summer as kind of like a prime example of that, kind of like this fundamental asset that went pretty, I would say, pretty unnoticed for a few weeks, and then it gave us this huge pump. But this market is becoming increasingly efficient, and so
I'm laughing because this market is so efficient that everything is efficiently trading towards zero.
The best thing that could happen for the altcoin market would be 99% of these coins going to literal zero. I'm sorry if you're holding one of the coins that applies to, but I think it's true, right? I mean, the market is, like you said, Jack, the market is assigning fair value to a lot of these coins, and that is zero, unfortunately. But it must happen for liquidity to gravitate towards the best assets of the future, which is where we are headed.
Yes.
What do you guys think about this question?
Will it do what Kadena did? I mean, you never know with meme coins. It's like you're at the mercy of the dev, whoever cornered the supply, if supply is cornered.
I don't think it's going to do what Kadena did, bro. That was,
yeah, I don't think it's going to go to zero.
No. It's just like every other meme coin right now, honestly. So
somebody's saying I'll regret fudding Launchcoin in the comments. I don't think I'm going to, brother.
Pull that back up. I think it looks better than a lot of other charts, honestly, Tommy.
That's the sole shitcoin perpetual bleed pattern, Tucker.
Yeah.
I mean, like bull case, you're obviously hoping it's going to do something like what Bitcoin did at 25 to 30K and maybe climb up later this quarter or next year. But I don't know, man. I'm not optimistic.
Can you draw a line on that listing low?
Yeah. Listing. What are you talking about down here?
Yeah. That's where Kadena went to.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bro, I totally forgot about Chili's and somehow I just remembered.
CHZ?
Yeah.
The World Cup token?
Yes.
It's one of the funniest narratives ever. People watching the World Cup are going to buy Chili's token.
And they actually were. Like, people were buying on that narrative. But, yeah, it didn't stake the landing.
That was like peak 2022 bear market activities.
What was another one? There was another one that was like Chili's.
Oh, God. What was it?
Celer? CELER. Maybe.
Yeah, I do remember this one.
Maybe.
Similar looking chart.
I think Phantom, maybe.
Oh yeah, Phantom. What is Phantom doing? Did they rebrand or something?
Yeah, they rebrand and started rugging again.
Type it without the T, without the letter. Type it just like FTM USD.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Andre sends his regards.
Yeah.
Disgusting chart, honestly.
What about Fetch?
Fetch. I'm pretty sure somebody in the comments said they separated from Ocean or whatever.
I thought they merged.
And this was
They did merge.
separated. They unmerged.
Oh, did they?
Merged and unmerged.
Apparently.
Took a look at the books and we're like, yeah, we're not merging with you.
No, they merged and then they wild.
That reminds me Binance and FTX.
Yeah.
When TC was like, yeah, we're gonna buy FTX, and then no, we are not buying FTX the next.
It's fucked. I can't buy it.
There's nothing.
Wait, what is ooh, INJ,
Man.
the 2023 darling, 2024, I guess. But yeah,
Not a coincidence. This chart topped after jump, like right after jump left the market.
yeah, they popped it.
They exit scammed.
Yeah,
And now they're coming back.
are they?
I thought so.
When?
A few months ago, maybe.
So they're back right now.
I think so.
Why aren't we pumping, Tommy?
We did pump over the summer.
That's true.
Don't you see the pump?
Don't you see it on the chart?
Did you see the pump this summer? Yeah, from April to August. There, I see it. From 6 to 9.
Oh man, he's like using the tool, right? Like the magnifying glass. He's like, yeah, I see the pump.
Yeah.
The Wojak meme. I can't pump. The old coin graveyard is quite extensive, man.
This one, Jackass and Tommy.
I remember. Oh my god, yeah.
Yeah.
And what about e-gold?
Lord of the Rings, Cardano.
Yeah.
There is an older chart. You can definitely find it by using the crypto ticker. The
This
chart
was-
will.
this
Try,
was-
no. Try typing USD.
Always use the Binance spot chart.
Yeah.
Dollar. Yeah, you get the full history. Man.
Yeah, Tommy, how do you feel about 3i Atlas?
Oh, Louis was telling me about it.
Have you not heard about that?
I hadn't heard about it until Louis was talking to me about it. I think it was like it was probably Monday or Friday. I don't really have any like strong opinion on it, honestly, but it's definitely interesting.
I think it's garbage. I don't think it's real. Study Bluebeam. That might be mainstream, but I don't think. The alien psyop has been a long time in the making.
Yeah, I'm not somebody who thinks we're about to have like a big alien psyop. I will say that.
I think we're gonna have an alien psyop. I don't think it's gonna be real by any means, but you know.
What do you Tucker, you know what chart you should pull up is ALCX. Who remembers Alchemix? Make sure you get the full chart.
This is one of the few I don't have any knowledge about.
Are you joking? Is this real? Yeah, 21. That should be real, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, not bullish on aliens. Shouldn't be.
I think this is down to like 20 mil market cap, and they're holding reserves like 4 or 5x what their market cap is.
I want to know which phase of the cycle is this.
I'm honestly somewhat interested in this. This is like an ancient DeFi ticker, though.
Why are you interested in this?
I think their project's kind of interesting. It's like uncollateralized loans or under-collateralized.
Sounds extremely sustainable.
Well, they have pretty good reserves relative to the market cap. But it's definitely more of like, yeah, this will do well in a bull market, not a market.
So they're just like a sketchier of it.
Kind of.
Is that basically what I'm getting? Yeah.
Kind of.
This is payday loans right here. Okay, this is payday loans. Aave is JP Morgan. This is payday loans.
Oh my God, Rich was right. What about the Axie Infinity? That was
That chart is down.
that was
bad.
a chart.
That chart is down. Bad.
AXS US.
I remember it, brother. I remember it.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
You know, the scary thing about most of these coins is that the FDV on them is still like seed investors are up gorillions, so there's no reason for them to stop going down.
Why won't they? Oh, I did USDT.
Even at like minus 99% off all-time highs, seed investors are still up a lot of money.
Jesus.
I remember this. I do remember this. Glorious. That wick is crazy. I mean, it was like Axie, Decentraland, Sandbox, like
Yeah.
remember good old Mana. Wait, no, there's more.
Mana. Sand. I shorted the top of Sand.
Did you?
I did.
Man,
That was back when you could still use like log channels to trade super effectively on altcoins. That used to be great alpha on altcoins.
Mm-hmm.
Could even use it on Bitcoin back then.
let's see. USD.
Yeah, I think Axie was probably, yeah, I agree, was the closest thing to gaming being a thing in crypto.
I mean, dude, Walmart was buying land in
The metaverse.
in the metaverse. Like, what? Where is that? We need that. That's what we need.
Walmart's buying land in the metaverse and you're bearish?
You're bearish on? Like, it was probably right here. But, you know. Yeah, I also have some land. I have some land, Sandbox, and the Cardano one. I bought a little bit. Unfortunately, I have beachfront property. Oh,
What does ape token look like, Tucker? I'm curious. I'm trying to find it in my watch list and I can't.
I might modify this. V-Bucks was the closest thing to gaming being a thing in crypto.
Oh my god, ape is down to 40 cents.
why won't it give me the whole?
Dude, I remember longing this coin into like 20 bucks.
Yeah, wait, is this the actual start of the chart? It's 7.
Yeah.
It was, yeah.
Everybody thought it would be a fade, so they orchestrated a massive short squeeze and then immediately sent it to zero. Everything got sent to zero, actually, after that.
Fun.
Do you guys know when Monad is airdropping? Surely they're not going to airdrop it in the current market conditions.
Well, they said they're going to do it in November, I'm pretty sure. So I don't know if that changed.
Definitely one of those situations where you want to airdrop it and like that into uptrending conditions. AVAX NFTs.
Should be safe.
VeChain. Oh man.
All right, guys. I will. I'm honest. I did like Stars Arena when it was a thing.
I remember you liked it. Yeah, I remember you liked it.
I honestly liked it. I was sad it died.
Yeah,
It's a good concept. Social tokens. It was kind of like meme coins before meme coins, except you kind of had to bundle the meme coins. But it was basically playing off social capital, and crypto is the best asset class in the world to raise a lot of money in a very short period of time.
this was
Yeah.
my chain trade in 2020, 2021. Didn't sell the top. Really.
What
From 2 cents to 10 cents. That's about right. Yeah. But it pulled, I mean, went to 28.
I did play VeChain. It was a good one for me.
Yeah, I was just about to say Theta. Somebody mentioned in the comments. I remember Theta.
Theta? Is it like Fade Ada? Fade Ada? Theta?
Man, this thing is fried.
You remember Katy Perry showed this one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you know that Katy Perry just married the Canadian Prime Minister?
Oh, really? Like, wait, Trudeau?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
that's true. It's a
No
clown,
way.
Tommy. It's a clown world.
No way. She married Justin Trudeau.
I believe so.
Oh my God! What?
Yeah.
Wow.
Breaking
So,
news.
does Canada know about this? Katy Perry is the ultimate top signal. Is Canada topped? Do we have any?
It's Canada topped.
Is Canada topped?
She's a plant.
Do we have any Canadians in the chat?
All right, let's look at some more modern tickers now. I think.
I see you.
What about Dash? What about
How about just Bitcoin right here, man? What? Just real quick. Jackus, where are you throwing in the towel, man? Where is it over?
right below these lows?
Which lows? I need specifics. Which lows?
Give me exactly where on the 1 minute chart.
Yeah.
In the middle.
On this one, this one, this one. Which one are we talking about?
Below the middle low.
This one?
Yeah.
The wick or the close?
Below the wick.
Okay. Below 103. So a daily close below 103 and you're bared up.
I think you can throw in the towel.
Yeah.
You're going to 70K if you lose that.
Yeah. I mean, I've got what do I have?
There is no exit pump. You are going to die.
75.
Make me laugh so hard.
Just don't dance, Tommy. Just don't dance.
I'm not dancing. We're at support, man.
You can cry or laugh about it, so it's better to laugh always.
Yes.
We would be
Until
remiss
you become Joker.
if we didn't talk about the 50 week. That's true. Where's the 50?
We are simply the enjoyer. Enjoys volatility. Happy for the winners. Sad for the losers.
Yeah, we do have the 50 week. I will agree.
What's the 15-minute destroyer, Tucker?
Oh, you saw that. Let's see. Oh,
Wow. Why wasn't this displayed on Market Check 2 weeks ago, Tucker?
dude, I don't know. I haven't used it in a long time. This is my indicator I made like last summer. I'm pretty sure it's actually not terrible. It's not the best, but it's not terrible. But it's pretty good, man. It's pretty good. Let me there's a reason I call it the 15-minute destroyers, because it's actually pretty decent on the 15-minute. Look at that. Ding.
Wow.
I mean, the problem is when you get a top, it martingales a little bit. It gets a little martingale-y. But
Yesterday's price action was absolutely horrific, man. I almost wonder if, like, because it was the UK, I guess, that sued Justin Sun earlier this morning. I almost wonder if, like, their PM or something was long into those highs and got smoked. It's like, I had enough of this guy. Sue him.
Few weeks from now, you will not even remember this day that we had yesterday, like the move. If you're gonna look at the daily, it's like never happened.
Yeah, it's like only the type of move that you're gonna be caring about if you are in crypto terminally every single day.
Yeah, but like people who just look at the daily candles, they like, yeah, you know.
Yeah, whatever. The boomer mind literally cannot comprehend.
Study the boomer mind.
I know.
that's actually pretty clean. Boys, that's actually pretty good. Look at this. Since May, I mean,
Is that Hagrid's super sniper?
yeah, it's the same thing. The original name for it was the 15-minute destroyer, but
15-minute destroyer.
yeah, I renamed it.
That sounds like from Star Wars.
Yeah, it does.
The Star Destroyer.
Yeah. That's when I was on my.
I feel a great disbalance in force.
It renamed it right there. Yeah.
Hagrid super sniper. Well, I hope it snipes the bottom here.
Well, it's long right now. I mean, it told you to buy this candle right here, so it's not. What?
Why laughing?
The comment.
Which one?
Oh.
The BB intern.
He requested to be paid in FUA.
Can get fucked.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
I forgot that.
But he can make it a very cheap lesson in his life.
That's
Keep in mind, some people lose hundreds of thousands to millions later on in their lives. 15 seconds. Oh my god.
Chat brought it today.
The sooner the better, right?
Wait.
There's no way there's even a chart for this on TradingView.
There has to be, bro.
No chance.
No.
And you definitely should not buy it if you're watching this.
Yeah, no.
For the love of, I'm actually begging you, please do not buy.
Did you say all in?
Full port or
It is, I will say, I think it's weird to see BNB be like the weakest major in the market.
Mm-hmm. But is it though? Or like you're talking about today?
I just feel like structurally it looks the weakest of the, when I think about majors, I'm talking about like Bitcoin, ETH, and Sol.
Mm-hmm.
Might be strong.
I think that like factually BNB made new highs now after the sell-off. Well, the rest did not.
It's just been perma bleeding after that.
That's true. But it's still like higher, right? Than the rest. We'll see. We'll see. Do you still think that BNB needs to go up for alts to cherish or flourish?
I think so. I feel like looking at a lot of these altcoin charts, a lot of them are trading pretty similar to BNB right now.
Mm-hmm.
Structurally, I mean, Hyperliquid's green today. I will say that. I don't think Hyperliquid needs BNB to go higher.
I mean, low-key sniped the bottom and top of this, but this is my issue, you know. This is the issue right here.
The martingale.
Only on shorts, too. It's a short martingale. I need to do something about that, but yeah.
What about the daily?
No long. The only long he gave was back in February.
I bet, Tucker, if you use that in unison with like a momentum indicator or like VWAPs, especially VWAPs, like a multiple standard deviations, it'd be a really effective strategy. I bet you could find some like, oh yeah, just don't take the first 1 or 2 triggers, and there's a really high probability setup on the 3rd or 4th.
Yeah, I mean,
because I have a friend that does that, and he is pretty much like, he's kind of like short only, but I almost never see him miss a trade.
Yeah, I mean, it took me like 2 days to make this, and I haven't iterated since, so probably needs some work. But
what about if you only take longs?
I can, if you only take longs, turn off the sell.
It looks like you would have caught a 400 or 500 point move on the token.
If you only took longs, I mean, yeah, you go up to the 3-day, you're only, look at that study.
Would you hold through the FTX FUD though? Right,
Yeah.
BNB FUD. Yeah.
Well, this, wait, no, it was here, right? No,
Yeah.
it was,
No, right.
Oh, this was in
Yeah.
23. This was 23.
Yeah, that was the largest BNB FUD.
Oh, BNB FUD. Yeah. I thought you meant FTX. FTX was right here.
Yeah. At first, I
Yeah.
missaid.
All good. Yeah, I mean, if you're probably not bad, super high time frame. Honestly, let's look at some other ones. Let's look at Tesla.
I was just about to say, it's really funny you said that, Tucker, because I was just about to say, let's look at Tesla.
Really?
I'm looking at Poly market odds right now, and they have a market for what will Tesla say during their next earnings call. So I was like, oh, is there earnings today? And it is.
Is there?
It is.
All stocks are red today.
I think Netflix missed yesterday or something.
Netflix.
What do you guys think of the gold sell-off that we saw this week?
Oh, dude, I bet we pinned the gold top. Watch this.
I don't know if it's topped.
Zoom in.
It looks like a big ass dump, though.
It does look like a big ass dump.
I mean, like maybe locally topped, but on a higher time frame, I think it's going higher.
Like what? Like the weekly?
If we keep nuking on gold down to like 3,800, then I would be willing to entertain a more long-term top. Because then that would kind of feel like, okay, this is a parabola break. We probably need to go sideways.
They better save this 2-week candle. I'll tell you that.
What about the monthly rejection on silver above all-time highs right now?
The old sweep and G.
Tale as old as time.
I mean, I bet it just kind of does this.
Damn, silver ripped.
I know. I remember talking about it back here.
I mean, I wasn't really expecting silver to make the same sort of move that gold did. I'm kind of just expecting it to like keep grinding up over the next decade. I want to say I was comparing the price action on it to like Oracle or something like that.
Can we compare it to gold or no? Does it look anything like it?
Kith butters a seat at the table. Can you see him?
No. Yes. Yes. Yes.
There he is.
He's sneaking in. Sneaking in.
That is an insane chart, man. Jesus. But silver looks pretty crazy in relative, like looking at it versus gold. Are you telling me I can long the laggard, Jackus?
Free long?
Now, this is literally going to be free long on silver going into 2030. I think both silver and gold should pause here for a year, maybe two. Probably like a year, but we'll see. And then I think it's going to break. Break.
Break down, break it out. Boom, 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 boom. Hold Trump as a bear market buy? No. Nope. I'm good.
I'm good.
I'm good on that.
What about Melania?
A little more appealing.
Deep value.
Deep value. It's no longer tradable. Oh, it
Wait,
is.
really?
Is it really
It's
not?
It's on Kraken. I still see it on Kraken.
Yeah, I mean, Trump coin is, I don't really see, I think that thesis has been investigated at this point.
It's still on a few exchanges. But it's trading at 1 penny right now.
Trump will probably do it.
9 penny.
I think they're pretty similar.
This is the worst chart you have ever seen. It's literally done only.
Have you seen Bowden?
Bowden.
Are you sure it's worse than that one?
Bruv, Melania is down only even on the logarithmic chart ever since the listing. And they kept bragging, like the family was like, "We made 1 billion in crypto."
Yeah, I mean, like literally,
are they confessing?
No awareness.
They are bragging.
Zero awareness at all.
I don't get it. Why are they confessing? They are bragging.
And I would be willing to bet they are not doing a good job of like covering their tracks as far as like all the crime they're committing. But hey, I am not going to be the one to judge. We'll wait a few years and see what happens, I guess. Speaking of insider trading, have you guys, no, not maybe, but not actually. You guys know that like Bitcoin whale, right? That everybody was talking about. He had a Bitcoin short open yesterday. Got up to like 260 million notional. It's down to 140 now that I'm checking right now. Who is this guy? No, we know who it is.
Do we?
I mean, I know who it is. I'm pretty sure I know who it is. But I'm not gonna say it on the show. Like, it's not like insider information. You can search X and find it if you really want to. But I would just say study the ticker that dumped 6 hours before the rest of the market on 10.
It's Barron.
No, I don't think it's Barron. I think it's the people who run a token that's related to the president. And yeah, I mean, there are tweets about it on X. I'm not going to say it on the show.
Okay.
For legal reasons, I won't say it. You can draw your own conclusions.
Bitwise, he said.
Yeah, somebody in the comments said it.
Yeah.
Remember, Snorlax would never off himself.
Snorlax.
Never.
Life has dreams.
Remember the 5th of November.
Oh man, the 3 drive was studied closely here. There.
That
Hold
chart
the line.
literally like bounce now or dear God.
Everything is at bounce now. Like, but those are usually the best times, especially coupled with extreme fear. I think either we really bounce back hard from here, or crypto has been front running stocks.
As it tends to do. That has been my fear for the last few weeks, Jackus. But stocks have just been so freaking resilient that
So far.
yeah, so far.
This is Jackus right here.
Destructive. I do think that alts can recover, but we do need to sort the wheat from the chaff. That's the saying, right?
That's a sword from Final Fantasy VII, right?
I have no idea. It's worth an attempt.
Just think there are too many coins. Everybody has to believe in my coin. Hear that?
I heard that.
You're not allowed to believe in your coin. You must believe in mine.
Looks like an altcoin chart.
What is that, TLT?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to keep saying it looks like a bottom, but it really reminds me of Bitcoin at the bear market lows, like right before FTX imploded.
So you're looking for one of these.
Not that deep, but like.
Oh my God.
If that happens, it's financial Armageddon.
That's literally
There you
the
go.
US 10-year at like 7%. If this were to happen. 7-8%.
All right, sorry, maybe.
It looks a lot like the Bitcoin bear market low.
Yeah, no, I know what you're talking about. In 2018?
2022.
Oh, you're not talking. Okay.
You're going to have to zoom in.
You're talking about this?
Yeah.
I'm going to put the same level on here.
I see what you mean, Tommy. Basically, these are great longer-term buys, but you're looking for that FTX implosion.
Yes, hopefully not as dramatic.
Well, if that was FTX implosion for crypto, what is it for TradFi in bonds? Fed implosion.
Somebody's going to have to be a forced seller for something like that to happen.
JP Morgan collapsed.
Oh boy.
Turns out they had nothing in their books. It was all a scam. JPM stock 0. JPM stock also pulling back right now. All stocks pulling back right now. But Bitcoin is green on the day.
Yes, it is. Bitcoin is doing that like very odd, disgusting, gross chop right now. I can't really think of an adjective that encompasses all of those things, but I'm sure you guys can find one.
Do you know what I think happens here, Tommy? I like that fractal is really good, but I think that we will get a scam pump and then go way lower to like
On
that,
TLT?
to like that 50 mark.
Ooh, wait, 50 on TLT? Oh my god.
But like I'm talking about years end, right? Like sorry, not this year, but like on many years. Right. So I think we will get we are getting rate cuts here. As I thought it's inevitable. Then we're gonna stay there for a while. But then I think the rate hikes will go even higher than the current cycle was, and they'll go to like 7-8%. So I because that sell off that the fractal would, and I think it's a very good fractal, but that would imply that would be like the bottom for rates. And I don't think that's the case. I think we will see a new round of inflation coming in.
I agree with that. I think that's like inevitable, honestly. That yields will go up. Well, I don't know about yields, but like inflation's definitely going higher over the next decade.
And so I think that has to cause new rate hikes. But I rather think instead of getting that scam dump, and that's the like the bottom, I think we rather get a scam pump and then make a new lows, new bear market from that.
So you're telling me TLT is a terrible investment?
Longer term right now, yes.
No sleep for the passive incumors.
But yeah. Imagine if you want to be like conservative, right? And you'll make a fortune. Can you go back on TLT, perhaps, Tucker?
Yeah. Do you see this though? This is my only worry about the Russell, real quick. Is that you're only on your only on your third tap. But yeah, let me go back to TLT.
Imagine if like TLT ever trades to like, it doesn't matter if it's 60, 50, right? Imagine if it trades down there and you'll be able to buy these longer term yields that are earning you like 7-8% a year. And you'll buy it at like, let's say 50, right? And what you can do is you'll buy them, they'll be earning you 7% a year, and you'll be also making money on the rise of the instrument itself, because the rates will be then going down over the years. So like it can go back from 50 to 100 to 150 even, perhaps, maybe not that high, but like, there is an upside on the equity while getting 7% risk-free yield every single year, if you will have the liquidity for it. Again, so if you will have $1 million, you'll be getting paid $70K a year risk-free, and that equity will keep on appreciating. I think that is going to interest maybe not only banks, but even some individuals at that point.
Coinbase just listed Kita.
Hey, what to do? The coin
moved a little bit. Yeah,
Yeah, I remember anticipating the KeyCat Coinbase listing and hoping that it would do more than just pump like 40%, and then it immediately retraced all of it. I see some similarities to this. It kind of reminds me more of like 2023. That's with the assumption that we don't break down, right? If we break down, then like, okay, well, this is fundamentally different than that time. But right now, it does kind of remind me of like 2023, the depths of the summer, and probably like late Q3 price action.
You talk about this.
I just mean like lower time frame price action, behaviorally, like with the squeezes and no liquidity and altcoins trading like garbage.
Yeah, we'll do the soul chart. We'll do the soul chart. Just wanted to...
Bro, the 1 minute time frame on BTC, it just keeps getting more ridiculous at this point.
Show them what?
He can't keep getting away with this.
We used to have a market.
We used to. It's no longer a market.
What happened to the game I love?
Yeah, okay, soul. Well, we hit the trend line we drew a while ago, Jackus. Or you had me draw this.
Yeah. I'm afraid it's gonna break down.
Are you? Yeah, there you go.
What I would love on Sol would be a fake breakdown. Like sweep that low on this trend line and bounce back up. That would be awesome.
That'd look a lot like the AVE setup in 2021.
Uh-huh.
Part of me just wants to see this chart go to Hades, man.
Dude, it was us three, bro. It was us three that were trading soul back here. I remember that.
Caught a banger trade on like in hindsight, like a $2 soul move.
Was it this?
It was that, yeah.
Yeah, bro.
I also caught the Robinhood dump.
Dude, we were so short. We were so short into here, like aggressively short from here into here. And then Jackus was like, yeah, guys, it's time to just bid. And we were like, fuck. And Soul just rocket ship. It was awesome.
I remember on my vacation, I had a long on Soul that if I had held it, I mean, I would be up so disgustingly. But like sizing Soul back then was just so different that I kind of wish I wasn't on vacation. Of course I was on vacation and we pumped, but
yeah, that was epic. Because that was like 25K Bitcoin too, I'm pretty sure.
It was.
Right. Like yeah, that was
also like 50-cent Matic.
I do not know why, but StreamYard doesn't allow me to upload new logos.
I think you hit the max.
It doesn't want my memes.
Was this the intern candle or whatever? The Cointelegraph?
Yes.
Yes.
Dude, as soon as that happened, we were like, all right, we got to bid, like just buy spot. And then that was it. That was the last time that I was actually bearish, was like right here. Right here. That was damn near, I guess, 2 years ago. 2 years ago.
Bro, can you put in the 1 minute Bitcoin chart? Like
The be going crazy.
It's criminal.
The 1 minute what?
1 minute Bitcoin chart.
Oh,
Oh my god.
make it stop.
It's been the whole day.
Yeah, it has. Is this New York Open? Is this the New York Open?
Mm. You mean the sell-off? No. What happened at the time, by the way?
What?
That sell-off today?
This one?
No, on the left.
This one?
No, you don't see it right now. You need to zoom out. That no,
This
you had it. No. Today.
one?
Yeah.
Oh, at 6 a.m. or whatever. Yeah, 6 a.m. I don't know.
Well, it's 13 p.m. for me, that's for sure.
13 p.m.
And that's like 11 GMT, right?
Wait. Yeah. So that's 1 p.m. Wait, are you in military time, Jackus?
Military time?
Like you say 13 and 14, 15 for time.
Oh yeah, we have the 24-hour system.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Is it?
Yeah. I mean, probably not, but it's like the metric system, bro.
You wouldn't get it.
No, but seriously,
Boys, we're pumping.
you wouldn't get it.
Are we?
We have turned top of the micro range.
Are you scalp 200 are shorting this right now? Anon?
You missed the
Right
long.
now. Like right now, 200 are scalp opportunity.
I know a Discord that probably is eating this morning.
Yeah,
I'm not joking.
me too. Yeah.
I said short.
Or
Stopped.
200 are short scalp this right now. No. You didn't get it. I said it right at the high.
where? Okay. Right.
You would need to go on the seconds chart.
Look, my stop's already at break even, so I can't lose.
Exactly.
Look at that entry, Jackus. My God.
Yeah. And then you need to put the stop loss like, yeah, lower.
Low. Right
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, exactly.
Perfect.
That's the trade.
This is the trade. I wonder what it is. Hang on. Is that right? Is that the R?
800,000 are.
What happens if you extend the TP even lower than that?
I don't know. That's how you do it.
Wow.
All right, tighten it to the recent low. No, the profit.
Okay.
Yeah, let's be realistic, right? Like, of course, we are not doing 800,000, but of course, we can do like.
Where is it? 88,000.
8,000. All right. You know what? You can make it 200 R trade. All right. Let's make it 200 R.
We're gonna have to move the stop up.
Yeah.
I don't even know if I can grab it actually. Okay, yeah, there we go. That's where it was, right? Wait, no, it must have been here.
Yeah, that's exactly the trade I would make, right?
Yeah. Come on now. 260.
Now we are talking.
Now we're talking. All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna retire of this trade today in a few seconds. Just made galleons on MEXC futures, very liquid exchange.
Very liquid. 275 R. Can't believe you missed this moving on.
Unfortunately, if you didn't make it on this 200-point Bitcoin dump, you're just not gonna make it, Anon.
What is RON, by the way? RON currency. But there has been an issue with the emails, so there's a good chance it ended up with a spam, because last week the emails weren't working, and this week ad made it work again, but I heard it because of like some issue they keep ending up on spam. So be sure to check. Like I myself, it didn't end in spam for myself, but for some people it has. So be sure to check the spam folder, and you can always read it directly on the site, on the Because Bitcoin site.
I think we're gonna get stopped out, bro.
Shit.
Risky.
I'm gonna lose all my money on MEXC futures. What happened to the Harry Potter Obama Sonic Inu?
Nobody wants to buy it.
Nobody wants to buy Bitcoin?
It looks like bonk to me when I was looking at it a few weeks ago. You gotta look up. You gotta literally spell out Bitcoin.
I did.
USDT. USDT.
Okay. Oh, no. Aware.
Type in Harry Potter Obama.
I got it. Don't worry.
God, the fact that I have to say that. That's an adult man.
I mean, if it was Harry Potter Biden Inu, maybe then it would have pumped.
Maybe.
Bowden Inu.
But it would probably fall from the stairs anyway.
There it is. There's the wick.
It looks a lot like bonk to me.
Imagine if this trades $10.
I mean, I've always believed in the thesis for this coin.
You were just too early.
I do think it is like suffering from being too schizophrenic. It's like schizophrenic in a way that's difficult to digest.
Mm-hmm.
Jeez, man, we've been going for a while.
All right, I can take us out.
We never go this late.
All right, guys. Hopefully we enjoyed the show today. We kind of we kept it pretty lighthearted. We looked at a whole bunch of different tickers, so make sure to rewatch if you're just now tuning in. A reminder that we go live on Market Check. Typical start time around 11:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So you can catch us again at that time on those dates. We'll see you again tomorrow. But also make sure to finish up your day with Market Talk, hosted by the legendary King Wabi. He's been absolutely crushing on, not just in the market, but also on those spaces. I mean, we've been having pretty consistently like thousands of listeners on spaces. So that's really cool to see as well. But yeah, if you're looking for something that can potentially provide you with an edge in this market, whether that is on chain, whether that is trading perps, we've got some solutions for you that we've rolled out here over the last few months, starting with the Volume Fusion Pro Discord, basically an alerts channel programmed off of Max's Volume Fusion Pro. So if you want signals on Pepe, Doge, and things like Solana. We've got the solution for you if you are interested in trading those on perps. And I know that a lot of those are your favorite tickers, guys. So definitely check that out. Also, make sure to tune in. What am I saying? Check out the BB terminal, guys. So if you're looking for something that can give you an edge in on-chain markets, a year ago that was Solana. Recently it was Binance. Maybe it is Base. Maybe it's Sui next. Who knows? I think I said yesterday, I think it's a perfect time for one of these L1s to roll out like a new ecosystem fund. But whatever it's going to be, make sure to check out the BB terminal, because it will be very helpful in assisting you as far as like finding the coins that you want to be speculating on and everything else in between. But thanks again for tuning in, guys. We hope you enjoyed the stream today. That's it from us. We will be back, like I said, tomorrow for another episode. But until then, thank you again. And of course, stay safe.
By the way, I just retired on my 200R short futures, guys. So never see you again. Bye.
Happy for you, Jack.
See you guys.
Tired of outdated trading tools, confused charts, dozens of tabs, endless stress? You're not alone. Introducing BB Terminal, your all-in-one command center for crypto trading. Track your portfolio, monitor the markets, stay ahead, all in one place. From chaos to clarity, from struggle to success. BB Terminal.